Good morning, everybody. Well, I finally got the remodeling job on my dining room done. Uh, However, it's going to be, well, probably the entire week this week, cleaning and replacing everything that was in there. Plus, there was so much, drywall dust and stuff like that. No matter how much you try to mask off things, and I mean, even the entire room, it just gets all over everything. And the carpets have to be cleaned, and anyway, everything's got to be replaced. But we will resume operations here shortly, probably about the end of this week. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and stay safe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.